Hello everyone, welcome back to JCC Official. In today's video, we're going to learn how to prepare and solve a salary sheet in Excel, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to calculate allowances, bonus, deductions, gross salary and net salary using simple Excel formula. First, we have created a table that includes columns like employee name, basic salary, overtime, conveyance, bonus, and deductions. Here we have some employee data with their basic salary, conveyance, overtime, bonus, and deduction. Now let's start with the conveyance allowance calculation. According to the question, if the salary is 30,000 rupees or more, conveyance is 10%. If it's 20,000 rupees or more, conveyance is 8%. And if it's below 20,000 rupees, conveyance is 6%. So, the formula we'll use We already have the overtime amount given, so we will directly type it in. Next, we'll calculate the bonus. The rules are almost the same. 30,000 rupees or more, 10% 20,000 rupees or more, 20% below 20,000 rupees, 25%. So, the formula will be just drag it down and your bonus values will be ready instantly. To calculate the deduction, first we need to find the gross salary. For that, we have to add the basic salary, conveyance, overtime, and bonus. Now, let's move to deductions. We calculate the deduction on the gross salary, not on the basic salary. 30,000 rupees or more, 7% 20,000 rupees or more, 5% below 20,000 rupees, 0%. The formula for this will be Finally, let's calculate the net salary. For this, we'll deliberately subtract deductions from gross salary. The formula looks like this. And that's it. Your salary sheet in Excel is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. with JCC Official.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.